Hello, good day. This video is all about operations and rational algebraic expressions. So, we will add and subtract rational algebraic expressions. But before that, let us have a quick review of adding or subtracting fractions or algebraic expressions. So let's have number 1. 2 over 6 plus 4 over 6. So since they are similar fraction, they have the same denominator, we're just going to combine the numerator and copy the denominator. So we have 2 plus 4 over 6. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 over 6. Just copy the denominator. Then, reduce to lowest term. 6 over 6 is equal to 1. So the final answer is 1. Second, 5 over 6 minus 3 over 8. Since it is the similar fraction, we first have to find the greatest common factor and change the given to similar fraction. So, the greatest common factor is 24. 24 divided by 6 is 4 times 5, the numerator is equal to 20. So, sana nare-recall nyo yung past lessons about changing the similar fraction to similar fraction. Next, etong kabila naman. The GCF is 24 divided by 8 is 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So, kaya nangyari yon. Since they have the same denominator na, we can subtract the numerator. So, 20 minus 9 is 11 and copy the denominator 11 over 24. So, that is our final answer. Next, number 3. We have 8x plus 2x minus x plus 6. Alam naman natin na kapag nag-a-add tayo or nagsusubtract, pag nagko-combine tayo ng polynomials, ang tinitingnan natin ay yung mga common terms. So, dito sa given natin, ang mga common terms ay itong 8x, 2x, at saka yung x dahil lahat sila ay merong x. So, let's combine. 8x plus 2x is 10x minus x, may invisible 1 yan, so we have 9x. And since si 6 ay wala siyang kaparehas na term, so copy lang natin siya. Kaya ang answer natin is 9x plus 6. Number 4, we have 7x squared minus 8x plus 3x plus 6. Ang ating common terms or yung pwede nating i-combine, syempre si negative 8x at saka si positive 3x. Parehas silang x. Hindi nila kaparehas, hindi natin sila pwedeng i-combine kay 7x squared kasi may square na nga siya. Hindi siya same term. Okay? So, ang ginawa natin, copy lang natin yung walang katulad, 7x squared. And then, combine tong dalawa, negative 8x plus 3x is negative 5x. Plus, yung nasa dulo, 6. Kinopya lang natin. So, this is now our final answer. Ngayon, punta na tayo sa adding and subtracting rational algebraic expressions. Let's have example number 1. Find the sum of 3 over 6b and 1 over 6b in lowest term. So, first step, check the denominator if similar. Similar ba yung ating denominator? Yes. The denominators are both 6b. And since similar naman, we just have to copy the denominator and yung numerator, pwede na nating i-combine katulad nung ginawa natin kanina dun sa review. Next, add the numerator. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Copy the denominator over 6b. At sabi dun sa ating problem, we have to reduce it into lowest term. So, ang lowest term niya, para hindi tayo malito sa pagsisimplify, gawin natin yung mga ginawa natin nung nakaraan, factoring, yan, ang gagawin natin is to factor the numerator, 2 times 2, 4. The denominator, factor natin 2 times 3, 6. Yan. Para we can cancel out the common terms. Pwede na natin i-cancel yung dalawang 2. Kaya ang natira na lang ay 2 over 3b. And that is our final answer. Next, let's have example number 2. Add x squared minus 4 and 2 over x squared minus 4. Check the denominator if similar. Ayan, they have the same denominator. Ibig sabihin, we just have to copy the denominator and add the numerator. Kinopya natin si denominator, yung numerator, pinagsama x plus 2 din. Reduce na natin sa lowest term. Simplify if possible. Copy yung numerator kasi wala naman na siyang factor. Si denominator naman, x squared minus 4, ayan. Babalikan natin yung factoring. Ang factor ng x squared minus 4 ay x plus 2 times x minus 2. And since meron tayong factors na pwede nating makancel out si x plus 2 at saka si x plus 2 sa ilalim, meaning, ayan, sa numerator, na-cancel out na siya, meaning 1 na lang ang matitira doon, over x minus 2 yung natira. Therefore, 1 over x minus 2 is our final answer. Next, for number 3, simplify negative 2x plus 1 over x squared minus 4 minus negative 3x minus 1 over x squared minus 4. First step, check the denominator if similar. So, as we can see, they have the same denominator. Therefore, we can combine na their numerator. Ayan. Kinapi natin yung negative 2x plus 1. And, as you will notice, yung sign ng subtrahend ay nagbago. Kasi yun yung rule natin sa integers, diba? Pag susubtract yung subtrahend, iibahin natin yung sign. Kaya yung negative, naging positive 3x, si negative 1, naging positive 1, over x squared minus 4. Kinopya lang natin yung kanilang denominator. Next, combine like terms. So, dito, ang like terms natin ay negative 2x at saka positive 3x. Kaya, pag kinombine natin sila, it will become x. Sinubtra kasi magkaiba yung kanilang sign. Tapos positive kasi mas malaki yung 3x na positive. Next, si 1 naman at saka si 1 dun sa dulo, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Kaya meron tayong x plus 2 sa numerator. And yung denominator naman natin, same pa rin, kopyahin lang. Next, i-factor na natin or i-simplify na natin if possible. Ngayon, balikan natin si x plus 2, ayun, kinopya lang. And then si x squared minus 4, ayan, i-factor ulit para makancel out natin yung common terms. Therefore, ang natira is, na-cancel out na yung sa numerator, kaya 1 na lang. Sa denominator, kinopya na lang yung x minus 2. So, that is our final answer. Example number 4. Find the sum of 2m over m minus 1 and 3 over m plus 4. So, check the denominator if similar. As we can see, yung denominator nila magkaiba. Hindi siya magkatulad, kaya hindi natin pwedeng gawin yung same process na ginawa natin kanina. Kundi, balikan natin yung review natin kanina. Kapag magkaiba yung denominator, ang ginawa natin is to change the fraction or the rational algebraic expression into similar fraction or similar rational algebraic expressions. Kaya kailangan nating makuha ang greatest common factor niya. Or, ang least common denominator pala, the least common denominator para ma-change natin siya into rational algebraic expression. So, ang ginawa natin is, kinopya lang si m minus 1 at saka si m plus 4. Ito na yung LCD niya. m minus 1 times m plus 4. Ngayon, i-change na natin siya into similar rational algebraic expression. Si m minus 1 times m plus 4, i-divide sa denominator na yon, m minus 1. Therefore, ang matitira na lang is m plus 4 times 2m, yung numerator na yon. Next, itong kabila naman. M minus 1 times m plus 4 divided by m plus 4. Makakancel si m plus 4, makakancel din dito. Kaya ang natira yung m minus 1, ayun, and copy yung numerator na 3. Kaya, ayan na yung ating numerator. Next, isi-simplify natin siya. Since meron tayong mga nakikitang parentheses, yun kailangan matanggal muna natin siya. Kaya, we should multiply 2m to m. Kaya 2m square, 2m times 4 is 8m. 3 times m is 3m. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Para hindi na masyado magulo, natanggal na yung parentheses. Again, just copy the denominator. Ngayon, combine the numerator na or combine like terms. 2m square, wala siyang same term, kaya copy lang. 8m plus 3m is, ayun, 11m. Copy yung minus 3. And then, since wala nang possible na factor, hindi na natin siya mai-simplify, meaning this is our final answer. Next, multiplication and division of rational algebraic expression. Sample number 1. Find the product of 2s over 4k times 3 over 2k square. Actually, yung pagkuha ng product or yung multiplication, siya yung pinakamadali doon sa mga operations. Kasi, ang kailangan lang natin gawin is to multiply the numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Pero para mas mapadali tayo, kasi kailangan natin i-simplify at the end, simula pa lang, pwede na tayong mag-cancel ng common terms in the numerator and the denominator. Para at the end, hindi na natin kailangan pang mag-reduce sa lowest term kasi automatic, naka-lowest term na siya. So, dito, obvious naman kasi na si 2 at saka si 2, pareha sila. So, pwede natin silang i-cancel out. Ayan, para nakapag-simplify na tayo. And then, ayan na lang yung natira. Multiply the numerators and the denominators. S times 3 is 3s. 4k times k square is 4k cubed. Therefore, that is our final answer. 3s over 4k cubed. Next, find the quotient of m over 2 and m minus 2 over m minus 1. So, dito sa division natin ng rational algebraic expressions, ang process natin ay almost the same as dividing fraction. Paano ba yun? So, ayan, divide natin siya. Get the reciprocal of the dividend and proceed to multiplication. So, yung dividend, etong m minus 2 over m minus 1, kukunin natin yung reciprocal. When we say reciprocal, yan, pinagpapalit natin yung numerator tsaka denominator ng pwesto, parang ganon. So, si m minus 1 ang naging numerator, si m minus 2 siya na yung naging denominator, and sabi, proceed to multiplication, meaning, hindi na tayo magde-divide, kundi tayo ay magmumultiply na ulit. So, multiplication na ang ating operation. Kaya, ayan, multiply the numerators and the denominators. M times m minus 1, ayun. And the denominator is 2 times m minus 2. Okay? So, this is now our final answer since hindi na siya ma-reduce sa lowest term. Baka sabihin nyo, Ma'am, yung m tsaka yung m pwedeng ma-cancel out kasi pareha silang may m. Hindi po pwede. Bakit? Kasi si m na nasa numerator, may kasama siyang minus 1. Magkasama po sila. No, hindi natin sila pwedeng basta i-divide. Tapos itong m sa ilalim, may kasama siyang minus 2. Ibig sabihin, magkaiba sila. Ayan. Pero kung m minus 1 to, tapos sa denominator is m minus 1 din, yun, okay lang i-cancel kasi parehas na parehas. On this case, magkasama sila. Okay? Next. Example number 3, divide k square minus 25 over k plus 5 and k minus 5 over k square plus 6x plus 5. Okay? So, again, get the reciprocal of the dividend and proceed to multiplication. Baliktarin lang si numerator, itaas gawing denominator, si denominator gawing numerator. Ayan, katulad nito, binaliktad lang yung dividend natin. Then proceed to multiplication. Pero kung titingnan natin, parang masalimuot. Ang daming mga k-square, may 6k pa. So, mas okay kung pasisimplihin natin siya, i-factor muna natin para ma-cancel out natin yung common terms sa numerator and denominator. Si k square minus 25 na pag-aralan natin na pag finactor siya, it will become k plus 5 times k minus 5. Tapos si k square plus 6x plus 5 naman, pag finactor natin siya, k plus 1 over k plus 5. Okay? And then, yung denominator nila, copy lang natin. And hanapin na natin ano yung mga pwede natin i-cancel out. Kaya dito class, importante yung may knowledge talaga sa factoring. Kaya kung medyo nalilito pa kayo sa factoring, balikan nyo yung mga first videos natin para kahit papano ay ma-refresh kayo. So, hanap na tayo ng pwedeng i-cancel out dito. Ayun, si k plus 5 at saka si k plus 5 cancel out. Meron pa ba? Ayun, si k minus 5 at saka si k minus 5, kinancel na rin natin. So, ano na lang yung natira? Ayan, natira na lang si k plus 1 times k plus 5. Actually, pwede pa siyang may over 1, pero mas lowest term to, mas simplified term to. So, our final answer is k plus 1 times k plus 5. And then, hindi pa pala siya yung final answer kasi pwede pa natin siyang i-factor pala. Pwede pa natin siyang i-multiply. Ibabalik natin siya sa original na hindi in factored form. Okay? So, we have k squared plus 6x plus 5. Okay? So, that's all for this video. Stay safe and happy learning.